That could be a lot of inflow into that storm.
We interrupt our regular programming to activate the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service. The Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Harker County and Tarrant County, North Central Texas. This is until 7:45 this evening.
I see it. Let's go.
We're all right. We're all right.
Oh, God. Is it coming?
Go, sonny, get inside. You, Amy, we're fine, honey. We're watching it. It's daytime. It's not coming. It's going east of us.
It really is there. I don't believe it.
It's going to be east of us in just a second.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yo, can we still stay here?
Yeah, we're right. We're fine, right where we're at.
Oh, my God, I can hear the freight train sound coming.
Amy, we're fine, honey. We're fine.
Oh, dear God.
Something went on fire. It's going east of us.
Honey, have her come look.
Come, if you, okay.
Oh, my God, I've never seen one that close.
No, it's going east of us. Nope, it's going east, Amy.
Honey, come look. It's not going to get...
Okay, leave her alone. Let me down. You caught a hay barn on fire, I think. Turns, we're gone.
There went something.
10 off of something. She's roping. Damn sure there ain't one coming in the home.
Back door.
We better go for the basement.
Yeah.
Because it's fixing to be here. It's fixing to be right on top of us. So you better get in the basement.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fixing to take the sprinkler with him.
Give me that.
It's gonna miss it. It's going right between it.
Ronnie, come on, y'all, dude. Well, Steve, y'all, come on.
Well, go on, Gina. We're all right. We're full-grown adults.
God almighty, y'all.
Is it taping now? Yeah.
Come on, please, y'all. Y'all scare me. No.
It's gonna get that sprinkler back there. It's on it right now.
Let me slip up first so I record
We're
it.
about the telephone.
Let me step outside just a minute.
Look, there's two more over here. Dang sure is. Golly. They won't be there for long. Yeah, that, I guess that's sprinkler. There's three. Went right between it and Mark. Golly. So you can about to use them again. Yeah. Nah, they're straight north of the house.
They're straight north of here.
Yeah.
Get in here, it's that close.
There's three right there.
There's three of them. Come on, get in here, y'all. Take a swim. Come on. Yonder.
Panic has set in.
Put your head between your legs and kick in. Yeah, I think I'm fixing to go to the base. I think I'm going to one because there's another one storming right there. There's another one.
As long as you keep moving north, I ain't worried.
I ain't either. I ain't coming.
That draw might change direction of it, so let's make that right down.
Well, it's right over yonder. There's that other one. It's nearly in the ground still.
It is going to change direction.
Honey, y'all come to
A mile away.
It's not either.
It's 2 miles away.
Well,
It's over on, it's going to
break on the west side. When it gets right here about 100 feet from the house, we'll come in.
Through the south end of town, right up through the college area, Main Street.
Right now, the base of the tornado appears to be reducing in size.
I'll be right here.
It's been
okay, it's going to be coming in.
Difficult to
it's right there and looks like it's at 2 p.m. right now.
And stay out of its path. Now, I do not have information to know how, if this is indeed brought into the city or not.
Give me an update.
It is still on the ground.
10-4. If it were to head directly north from its current location, it would be actual.
Highway 60, west on Highway 60 at 10:50. A car is turned upside down. I've been unable to notify the ambulance crew at this time. The sheriff's office has been notified. Be advised there is a...
Be careful, you're almost there.
Okay, it come across right now at the intersection of Alcock and Price Road. Alcock Price Road is going to be a little bit north. It's going into the city at this time.
Okay, boy. We need all y'all to head this way. 448, 5404 on the west side of Miami, code 3 your way. Okay, just be careful. We got one just across Cross Road that's going into town right now. We got another coming down. I can see it coming.